Hey guys, I really feel bad about this one. Okay, this one was a present. FIFA World Cup 2022 Qatar, man. And I'm trying to put it on, but the screen is just black. Uh, and even I was thinking, I have a problem with my charger. See, this is a charger here. So I thought there was a problem, see. And then I tried to cut and reconnect this one. I thought maybe there was a problem here, so I've been putting to the charger, but it's not working. It's totally not working. And then I watching the YouTube. I saw a lot of people having the same problem, as in the watch just went off. It cannot switch on. I tried my best. I really tried my best to put it on. I've really tried to charge it again and again, but it's dead, totally dead, you know, totally dead. Let me put in the socket here so that I can try to like charge it, so that you guys, I want to get information from you guys. What do you do when you have a situation like this one? It's really burning me, you know, totally like burning me. I don't feel good at all, you know, because it was a present. So it's a charger, yeah. So it's a charger. I'll just try to put in a charger. See, I'll try to put in a charger. So see, yeah. So it's really I don't feel good about it, guys. And I try to follow what people are doing in YouTube. But still, see, there's nothing at all, even showing like charging. Nothing, guys. There's nothing. And you know the way I like this watch, I really like this watch. It was good. And you guys, most of the time you watch my videos on YouTube, then you see this watch. I've been wearing it for a while, and now it's dead, totally dead. Been using for almost 2 years. Yeah, no, maybe almost 1.5 years now. I don't know what's going on, guys. Let me get someone. Is there? Can I just go and fix? See, I try to put on. I had already connected my phone. I just disconnected from my phone. How can I reboot this kind of a phone, guys? The watch. Guys, let me know from you. What can I do about this watch now? I feel weird, you know. I was making my video, then I feel weird. I talked about it, that I feel weird without having my watch, you know. And have you just like I don't know, in my hand I don't have a watch. I'm used to it, you know. First thing when I wake up early in the morning, the first thing I take shower, brush my teeth, put my watch in my hand. And now when I'm going to work, I don't have one. Yeah, it's dead. Guys, let me get to know about it. Anybody who can fix it for me, or what can I do? This kind of a watch is very expensive, and getting an original one like this one It's very hard. Also, you cannot get this original from World Cup, guys. Where can I get another one just exactly like this one? The World Cup kind of a thing, see. When I was putting on this watch, it shows this label on the screen exactly here. It says World Cup 2022. Or is it expired, as in it's switch off, as in the World Cup is finished, then the watch is gone, just like that? Man, guys, get me revive back my watch. I'm trying my best, like, to put it on. Can I try maybe, and then a miracle happen that it will charge? Charge, please, come on, charge. No, it's happening, guys. I really don't understand. I tried to charge and charge. What could be the problem? Or is that over here charging, or is it here? I've tried everything. I've really tried everything. I've even dismantled this thing, like trying it, but it's not fixing itself. There's a cockroach over there, guys. Like, I've tried my best, guys. Let me get a comment from you guys. What do you think about this kind of a thing? Can I just give up and throw away, or can I try to fix it? Can I try to fix it? Will I manage like fixing it? Come on, charge, please. Come on. I'm getting bored with this thing. Come on. They say that you have to press, long press. Maybe I'm trying to long press, guys. For about how long will I be long pressing it? Like 10 minutes, 1 minute, 1 second? Let's try. I'm trying to long press now. It's charging there. Long press. Yeah. Let's try it. This thing is well charged, but it is somehow dead, guys. Get me revive my watch back, guys. I feel bad about it. It was a gift. I worked as a volunteer, then I was given a gift, and then here it is now. Hi guys, I'm not okay with this one. I don't feel good about this. It's totally black. Let's try to charge it one more time. Is it the charger? Maybe the charger is broken. Maybe here. I really tried. This charger is perfectly okay. The charger is perfectly okay. Or is it here that's colliding, or see, it's okay. Yeah, I connected over here. Yeah, it's charging. It is charging. Oh lola, yeah. I've been trying for so long. Finally, here it is. guys. You know, guys, I've been trying to charge it for almost 1 week now. It was not charging, it was not responding, and now it's here. It's here, guys. Where is it? It's went off again. It was charging now, guys. You guys see. You guys see. Guys. So, there it is charging now. Low bat. Let it charge. Wow. Thank God. Now finally, here it is. It is charging, guys. My watch is back. I was almost throwing it. I was almost. You know, now let me tell you guys, I was not just like I wasn't like making a video, but this thing, it was not charging, but now it is charging, guys. It's not right. Yeah, it's charging, guys. Charging. It's a low bat. It is charging low bat. I thank God. I was almost throwing it. Guys, there it is. It is charging. Wow. Yeah. Let's now change like here. Guys, I almost give up about this thing. It's amazing, guys. So low bat. Let's try it. Charge. It is back. Wow. You know what I did, guys? I press several times, then start working. Yes. Thank God, finally. Yeah. I was just watching. It's off again. So it means now it's only the charging. I need like to charge it seriously. It should be charging. So let it charge, guys. Then I'll be showing you when I'm vlogging another video, guys. Thank God it's working now. Finally it worked. Wow. You have a picture when it's charging now. 1%. I'll pause this video so that you guys know. I thought it was over about my watch. It's back. No, I've been having this one. You know, for example, if I remove this one, my bracelet, I'll be feeling like weird, guys. This one, like there's something you know, have you been having something, then you remove it, then you feel like you're not comfortable without it? That's the same apply to my watch here. Yeah, it's charging now. Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for you. There's a person who was watching is having a good luck. You know, I don't know that. If you are the one, just give me a thumbs up. Just tell me I'm the one. You know, I thought I'd already lost this watch. I was almost like 2 days ago. I wanted to like just dump it on the floor, broke it and throw it away now. Forget about it. And now it is back. I'm happy. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you, guys. Have a nice one. Bye.